Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about a very common skin condition, and I have been seeing many patients in my OPD, usually very young age girls, who are coming with the complaint that we are having hyperpigmentation on our face since a long time, and we can see like it can disappear for a week or two, and then it reappears with a very dark color. So this hyperpigmentation we will be discussing about, and the symptoms and the treatments we will discuss in detail, and the home remedies which we can follow. So yeah, keep watching this video till end if you are suffering from the same skin condition and same symptoms which I have discussed in this video. So keep on watching this video till end. Maybe it is helpful for you as well, because in this I will be discussing treatments in detail, and I have seen many good results on my patients. Like, I have recommended many of these treatments to my patients, and they have come up very with a very good feedback, and they were happy that I helped them resolve that. So yeah, keep on watching this video till end. So this skin condition is known as melasma. What is melasma? Melasma is the hyperpigmentation which occurs on our faces. Like, melasma causes patches of discoloration on our face, on our skin. So yeah, this melasma, it has many causes. Like, it can be caused by many things which we will be discussing in this video, and we will discuss treatments and remedies also. But before starting this video, let me share my side of the story. Like, I have also suffered by this skin condition which is called melasma for a very long time. Maybe it was due to my hormonal fluctuations which appeared during my pregnancy, and it caused me a very severe melasma on my cheek here. And I went through many tablets, many treatments, but it was not helping out until and unless I changed my lifestyle, which helped me a lot. Changing my lifestyle helped me. Maybe it won't help you, but it helped me. There are treatments also. Through treatments, many patients get relief from that condition, but I did not. My condition kept on worsening day by day. So yeah, let's start this video and keep watching it till end. So yeah, let's start this video. What are the causes of melasma? So number one, very common and most important cause is hormonal fluctuations. Females who suffer from hormonal fluctuations, usually in progesterone and estrogen levels, they face melasma, and these hormonal fluctuations usually happen in conditions like pregnancy, menopause, or females who are taking hormonal birth controls. So it is a very most common cause of melasma. Number two is sun exposure. Like, exposing your skin to the UV rays or tanning beds, it stimulates melanin production, and melanin production automatically cause melasma. Number three is genetics. Like, if it runs in your family, then definitely you will also get it. Like, if your mother has it, if your grandmother, if your paternal side family has this condition, then definitely you will also get that. So yeah, if it runs in family, then there is nothing to worry about. You should consider it as a gift you adopted from your family, obviously. So number fourth point is that thyroid disorders. Certain disorders like hypothyroidism, in which your TSH level is lower than normal, that causes melasma, because it stimulates melanin. Number fifth is that stress. Stress, usually emotional stress, causes hormonal fluctuations which can cause melasma. So melasma is, you can like, when you are emotionally stressed during exams, or you are going through a trauma, some very serious conditions, So sorry for that light, it's too bright. So that conditions can cause melasma in you. And number seventh is that so number six is that when you are using cosmetic or skincare products which are cheap or which cause skin inflammations or cause irritations, that can cause you melasma. Like any products which contains fragrances or chemicals or any harmful ingredients which is causing inflammation or infections or irritations to your skin, that can trigger melasma. Like any, it is not recommended to use any very cheap skincare products on your skin. We always recommend dermatologically tested products for your skin so that you don't suffer any skin conditions which is very harmful for you, because melasma is very hard to get rid of, and you cannot, I don't say it that you can get rid of it completely, but you can suppress it for the time being. Number seven is that there are certain medications which can trigger melasma, like antihistamines, anticonvulsants, or antibiotics, which can cause melasma in you. Number eight is that certain vitamin deficiency, like deficiency of vitamin B12, vitamin D, or copper, that can produce melanin very low. Like the melanin production is affected by the deficiency, which can cause you melasma. Like they can either trigger the melasma production, or they can melanin production, or they can reduce the melanin production. Number ninth is that pregnancy and childbirth can trigger melasma. As I told you that pregnancy has many hormonal fluctuations which can cause melasma easily. And childbirth also, like postpartum period, is also a very peak time where your hormones are fluctuating like crazy. So that can cause very much yeah, that can make your skin very dark, very dull, very pigmented. So it is better to to not use any harsh products on your skin and take a good care of it, to take vitamins and to drink lots of water. And if you will apply any cheap skincare product or anything which is not recommended by a dermatologist, that will definitely cause you a very harmful effect, because already your hormones are at its peak, like they are being crazy. So you need to be very very you need to play very safe. So number 10 is that melasma is very common in darker skin tone people like Asians, like Africans. It is very important to know that melasma is a very complicated condition. Like to know it, that it can be affected by various of factors. Not only one factor can cause it, but there are various of factors which can cause melasma. And its treatment is even more complex than its factors. So now let's discuss its treatment and some of the remedies which I will be telling you. Okay, so treatment of melasma can vary from topical ointments to oral medications to lifestyle changes. So let's discuss the treatment. Number one, we can use hydroquinone creams, which is usually a skin lightening ointment which can reduce the hyperpigmentation on our skin. Number two is that retinoid, which is a derivative of vitamin A, like retinol. Retinoid is a derivative of vitamin A that can do cell turnover and can reduce the hyperpigmentation on your skin. The number three is that azelaic acid. It is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory inflammatory that can reduce the hyperpigmentation. Number four is that kojic acid. Kojic acid is a natural ingredient, so that can reduce the production of melanin. Number five is vitamin C. As you all know, if we got hyperpigmentation, vitamin C is antioxidant. It can lighten up the hyperpigmentation. Like we have dark spots of the acne, we can use vitamin C and we can get rid of dark spots very quickly. Okay, now coming to oral medications, like there is a medications which we use for different purposes also in gynae. So that is tranexamazole. So yeah, now coming to oral medications. Oral medications, there is some medications which is used in different gynae things also. So this medication is tranexamic acid. Like if a patient presents in gynae with a complaint of heavy MB menstrual bleeding, so we usually recommend this medication to them also. This is anti-fibrinolytic drug which can reduce the production of melanin, which does not allow it to cause melasma or hyperpigmentation. So now coming to a very natural way of reducing this melasma problem is lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes include number one, that we start eating healthy. Eat healthy like vegetables, fruits, or drink lots of water. But we have to, number one thing, we have to avoid junk, because junk will cause you hormonal fluctuations. So that is our number 2 point. If there is hormonal fluctuations, we should avoid junk food. Hormonal fluctuations can be controlled by lifestyle, but as well as if we have severe of it, then we should take hormonal supplements, replacement therapies, or anything to control our hormones so that our melasma is under control. Number three is that stress. Like we have to take over our stress. We have to make a habit. Like we have to do a yoga or anything which makes our stress level very low. Like de-stressing ourselves, which is anything you find good for you, like you enjoy anything, you should do that more often. Like if you like reading, you should read books. If you like anything, you like doing makeup, you like doing experiments, you like doing cooking or anything, you should, that makes your stress level low, you should go for it. Number four point, which is the most important point, is sun protection. Like it is very important for us to wear any sunscreen, like it should be SPF 30, 50, anything. But we should wear it on our daily basis, and we should wear full arms or full sleeves clothes so that our skin is more protected by the harmful UV rays, so that the melanin production is not a lot. So as we discuss the lifestyle changes, now we are coming to the procedures we can do. We can go for to any dermatology clinic or any spas like which offer these procedures. That is chemical peel. Like chemical peel is when the substance is solution is applied onto your skin, it takes off the layers and it reduces the hyperpigmentation on your skin. So number two is microdermabrasion. That is a very helpful exfoliating procedures which helps to lighten our skin and makes our skin a very even toned and soft. Number three is laser treatment. Laser treatment is, they have different wavelengths of light, so which targets our melanin producing cells and make them shrink so that they do not produce any more melanin in our skin, which automatically reduce hyperpigmentation because no more melanin is produced in our skin. So, as we discussed all the treatments and procedures, now coming back to a very pocket friendly or like anyone can afford at home doing these procedures is that using natural remedies, like using turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory, and it is good for like hyperpigmentation to reduce it. Number two is cucumber. Cucumber already has a very cooling effect, so it cools and soothes the skin, which makes our skin very soft, very glowy. And number three is aloe vera. Aloe veras usually they give a very calm, very soothing effect to our skin and very hydrating. So these three home remedies, they are very helpful in melasma, like turmeric, cucumber, and aloe vera. So using these three, we can get rid of melasma, and we can, like, it will take some time, but we will eventually we can take over it if we do a lifestyle change also, because it everything takes time. Like if you are suffering from a skin condition, you have to be very consistent, you have to be like, you have to wait, you have to be patient, because everything takes time. Your body is not a magic, it won't produce a magic inside you and it you will get rid of melasma within a day or week. It took me over a year to get rid of melasma, and I am not even sure if it will hit me again, because melasma can show up whenever your hormones are fluctuating or something wrong is going inside your body. If you're stressed, because sometimes it shows up and then it disappears within a week or so. But for this, you have to be very, very consistent, and you have to be patient, and you have to accept the fact that your body is also going through something which it is not comfortable with. So it is showing you, it is giving you like a sign, an alarming sign that I am not satisfied inside. So you have to make lifestyle changes in you, and you have to be like, you have to do exercises, yogas, and you have to take over this, the stress, the any unhealthy lifestyle or any hormonal fluctuations. You have to work on it, because your body is telling you that you are not healthy. Okay, so in this video, I covered all the important points about melasma, the causes, the treatments, and how can we control it. So yeah, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel, and do recommend my channel to everyone around you. And do comment on my video if you found this video helpful and how did it help you. Like if you are also suffering from melasma, please do share your side of the story in the comments below, and I will for sure answer all your queries and all your questions. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye.